I just finished extensive repairs and a minor shop out on this pachinko machine, and this video is for the client to show that it's working 100% after the work that was done. The ball tray is filled with balls, the shooter lane has balls in it, so let's fire up a game. Okay, notice that this light on the right side just illuminated. That denotes that the ball hopper in the rear is empty of balls. Once empty of balls, the machine will not fire anymore and you can't play. So you have to fill up the back hopper again. This light is adjusted so that the hopper has just a few balls left. It doesn't come on when the hopper is completely empty, so it's giving you a warning that a few more jackpots and the hopper will be out. So I'll fill up the hopper in the rear again, and the light should go out. I won't fill it up completely, just enough to show you that the light will go out. Now we have enough balls to continue play. We'll play again, and you'll see that the machine should be ready to go. And there it is. You can start firing again. That's it. The ball hopper in the back is empty. The light came on to indicate that, and the game stops playing. Well, you can see the machine is functioning 100%, and I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.